Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by collecting the evidence that justifies the raise. 6 to 12 months of measurable wins, saved hours, revenue impact, make it specific. Once done, research market salary ranges and 3 comparable roles so you speak from data. Next, pick the timing. Choose a 30 to 45-minute meeting during a quiet business window, not a crisis. Send a brief agenda in advance. This sets expectations and puts you in control before you even sit down. You now craft the core pitch, a concise opener that highlights your top 3 wins and the quantifiable impact they created. Then state your target, say the dollar amount or percentage increase, and give a clear flexibility range so negotiations can move. Make sure to prepare answers for common objections, budget, timing, performance, by rehearsing role play or recording yourself. Practice helps you stay calm. Plus, it teaches you when to pause, ask clarifying questions, and pivot to alternatives. You enter the meeting ready to listen. Start by asking for your boss's perspective, then respond with facts and the value you documented. If they counter, propose a compromise, partial increase, bonus, or review in 3 to 6 months. Once an agreement is reached, make sure to get it in writing, HR email, updated offer, or compensation form. If the answer is no, ask for specific milestones and a scheduled review date. This troubleshooting step turns a rejection into a roadmap toward the raise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.